Drop donuts are loved by many in Ghana during special occasions. It is served and people really enjoy this. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Here is Rima Healthy, where your home of healthy recipes. In today's video, we are making drop donut. I'm going to take you through this process step by step. It's going to be a simple and a quick one. So let's get into the video. To begin, I am going to weigh how much or the amount of self-raising flour that I have. After which, I am going to add my granulated sugar, my eggs, and also my melted butter in my mixing bowl. The next I will add is my pineapple flavor. You can choose any flavor of choice. Then I'm going to mix all my wet ingredients together. Okay, making sure that my sugar dissolves. Then I'm going to add my evaporated milk. I'm not going to add all at a go. I am going to add the rest of the milk later on. Then I'm going to sift my self-raising flour into my wet ingredients. Okay, and because I'm using self-raising flour, I'm not going to add baking powder because self-raising flour is simply all-purpose flour plus baking powder. And so since I'm using self-raising flour, there wouldn't be the need to add baking powder. And the reason I'm sifting this is to make sure that there are no particles or any lumpy flour there. Then I'm going to add some lemon zest for flavor. You can choose any flavor of your choice. Then I'm going to grate some nutmeg into this. After which, I'm going to make sure that I mix everything together, or I mix my butter very well to avoid any lumps. So guys, at this point, I want to say a very big thank you and a big welcome to anybody who is still watching me at this point. I want to say thank you for your support, okay? And I want to let you know that I really appreciate you so much. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, kindly click on the subscribe button. Turn on bell notification if you enjoy what I'm doing. I'll be glad to have you here as part of this wonderful family. And yeah, turn on bell notification. Don't forget. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And this helps YouTube to suggest the video to other people. Okay, thank you very, very much. Okay, so at this point, our butter is ready and there are no lumps. So this is the exact consistency that we are looking for. It's just looking so beautiful, everything just on point, and it's ready to be fried. Okay, so while I do this, I'm already preparing my oil for frying. So we are going to deep fry this, and we need a lot of oil. So this is how you are going to scoop your butter into the oil. It shouldn't be too large. It should just be that smaller sizes that we find during parties and all that. We don't need it to be as big as making puff puff, right? We don't need that. So what I'm going to do next is to test my oil before I go in with my donuts. So since the oil is ready, I will be scooping my donuts into it step by step. Now you want to note that you don't need a high heat during this time. If you begin with a high heat, you would want to minimize your heat to a medium heat so as to allow your donuts to fry well, and everything is just going to be perfect. Other than that, you'll be burning your donuts while the inside will not be ready, and you wouldn't want that. Okay, so on this kitchen towel or kitchen paper, I am going to bring my donut here to make sure that some of the oil that are in there comes out. Okay, so I'm just going to do this with the rest of the butter that I have, and I'm going to just scoop in until everything gets fried. Then we are ready to enjoy. As simple as that. It doesn't really take too much time. So, guys, thank you very much for being here today. I really appreciate your presence and support. Thank you for sharing, commenting, liking my videos. I really, really appreciate all of you. So this is the end result, and this came out so perfect. The whole house was just smelling party, party, party. Okay, so stay safe, be good, drink enough water, sleep when you can, stay out of trouble. And remember, I love you always. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, here is with my healthy way. Bye.